So I get a lot of emails and calls from guys on the internet looking for these. This is the original Family Traditions wooden rocking horse plans. These were originally designed, I think, by Russell Jewell back in the 80s. Most of you guys know them from Buck Coleman. I got these copyrights from Buck Coleman in 2019. And most of the stuff that guys are looking for when they call me, or they're looking for this packet right here. This is the instruction packet that comes with all the photos and all the instructions on how they did the saddle, the mains, the arcs for the rockers, all that. It's a lot of good information in there. It's really popular. This is how I actually ended up finding Buck, looking for this packet myself. And since they seem to be still so popular and I get so many calls for people looking for these, wanting to know how to get them, we went ahead and had these digitized. So now they're available for digital download at designcreationswoodworking.com. You can download the large L100 or the toddler size horse, the medium horse, or the mini horse. And they all come with the instruction packets and full-size patterns that you can print out, cut out the patterns. These are all the same exact original plans. They're just digital now. So if you guys are looking for those, designcreationswoodworking.com. All right, back to work.